What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Top Market Trading here, and today we're going to be talking about Sundial Growers, ticker symbol SNDL. And in this video, I'm going to go over why I think SNDL could hit $5 very soon, and also go over some key support and resistance levels, and also some big news that should boost up SNDL to $5. Now, before we get into the video, make sure you guys go down below, hit that subscribe button, and also check out my channel. I make a bunch of stock videos every week about the top stocks going into 2021 that you guys definitely don't want to miss out on. So on that note, guys, let's get into the video. Now, guys, if we go ahead and take a look at SNDL's charts, we can see that in February, they've just had an incredible run, going up over 300%, I'm pretty sure, just this month alone. And as you can see here, they went up over 78% in today's trading session to close out the day at $2.95. Now, this run-up is mainly due to the fact that the cannabis industry is getting a lot of attention right now. There are a lot of eyes on this stock and this sector. And as we know from the news, the government is trying to legalize cannabis federally, which is kind of taking effect into SNDL's share price. But also, one thing to note is that SNDL was one of the most shorted stocks out in the market, and WallStreet Bets, the Reddit forum, has turned their eyes towards SNDL. Now, if we go and take a look at this article, we can see that they said that the cannabis stocks were up in midday trading Wednesday after a Reddit forum that contributed to a short squeeze in stocks including GameStop directed its attention to the sector. A lot of stocks in the cannabis sector, like Tilray, Afria, and Canopy Growth, are all getting boost in hopes that the slender Democratic majority in Congress will legalize the plant at the federal level. Now, if this happens, guys, then we can see a major boost in prices in a lot of the cannabis stocks. And as you can see in Canada, they actually surpassed this year more legal cannabis sales than they did in the black market. And with the US seeing that, I think they want to hop on that train and make it federally legal so they can get all the gains from this tax money. Guys, one thing to keep note is that Sundial is yet to be profitable. However, the cannabis producer has reduced its cash burn rate by slashing costs and focusing its efforts on higher margin cannabis products. The CEO, Zach George, says that this strategy has the cannabis maker on the verge of profitability. And if he's right, then Sundial's price will continue to rise, like they said in this article. And also, with the backing of WallStreet Bets, and it looks like a lot of people are buying call options for SNDL, we can really see this potentially keep getting short squeezed all the way up to the $5 range. Now, guys, I am not a financial advisor. This is for educational and entertainment purposes only. But for educational purposes only, what I'm going to go ahead and do is go ahead and chart out some key support and resistance levels that you guys should be watching for going into tomorrow's trading session. Now, guys, if we go ahead and take a look at SNDL's charts, we could see that they did close out at $2.95, but in after hours, they did shoot up all the way to $3.33. Now, as you can see here, they did meet some level of support here at the $3.15 line, and I'm going to go ahead and draw a line right there. Now, this is going to be our support, and as you can see, the stock did manage to hit that all-time high, or not all-time high, hit a high, then pull back and bounce off this level. So if it's bouncing off this level, and it's also touching a level over here, which seemed to be a level of resistance, then this is going to become our first level of support. Now, the first level of resistance that I'm going to be looking at is here at the $3.50 line. As you can see, in after hours, they did pull up to around $3.60, but then when they dipped to around $3.35. And when they tried to pull back up again, they met resistance here at the $3.50 line, basically. So what we're going to do is draw a line right there. Now, that's going to be our first level of resistance going into tomorrow. So what we want to do is we want to see some consolidation in this range that we just made. After you scale out a first level of support and first level of resistance, it makes a channel. So what we're hoping is we're hoping for consolidation in this channel, but eventually we want the consolidation to go up and retest that first level of resistance. Now, if it can break this level of resistance going into tomorrow, then I really don't doubt that this stock is going to hit $5 easily. Now, for those of you that want to get into SNDL, what I would do is I would wait for a dip in the stock. And as you can see here, if we take a look at the RSI is sitting at 60, which means that it's getting close to that 70 danger zone. So what I would do is I would wait for a dip, maybe back in the 40, 50 RSI range, and look to getting in there. Now, when you can buy a dip like that, that's going to show you that it's going to bounce off back to another high. As you can see here, once you bought it at 50 RSI, that would have timed up with around $2.05. And you could have easily rode that up all the way to around $3.67 if you're still holding. Now guys, if you found this video helpful, make sure you guys go down below, hit that thumbs up button, and also let me know down in the comments what you guys think about SNDL going into 2021. And on that note guys, good luck in your trading tomorrow, and I'll catch you in the next one.